Today we are solve the numerical number 9. In the Arrhenius equation, for a certain reaction, the value of A and EA are 4.0 into 10 raised to 13 per second and 98.6 kilojoule per mole respectively. If the reaction is of first order, at what temperature will each half-life period be 10 minutes, and R is given here. Then before start to solve this, we should write down the given points. Arrhenius constant, this one, activation energy is 98.6 kilojoule per mole. K is the K1, of course that is the first order, it's very important point for us. We want to find out at what temperature, and T1 half is given is 10 minutes. Now when we write the equation, 2.303 log K is equal to 2.303 log A minus EA by 2.303 RT. Okay, but before substituting the value in this equation, we should find out the rate constant of first order reaction. Therefore, by using the half-life period, we have find out the rate constant per minute. And then after getting the value 0.0693 per minute, we will be substitute that value into the above equation. That is the 2.303 log 0.0693. It's very simple to find out that. Then is equal to 2.303 log 4.0 into 10 raised to 13 minus 98.6 upon 8.314 into T. Then when we find out the log of 4, you will be get the value of log of 4, that is the, I find out again, log 4, you will be get the 0.6020, and this 13 is come before to this term. It's very simple. Log of 10 raised to 2 is nothing but the 2. By using such a type of the relation, we write here the answer is like this. Minus, of course friends, the energy of activation in kilojoule, therefore we should be convert it into the joule because the R value in joule. Then 98,600 upon 8.314, and it is the T. After multiplying these terms, we will get that minus 2.6696. When you multiply both these terms, you will be get 31.3254 minus 98,600 upon 8.314 into T. This very simple phenomenon to solve this example. What happened? This is a multiplicative term and when this term is come toward this one, it is a minus 1. It is a positive term. When this term is come here, you will be get the negative value of minus 31.3254 is equal to 98, means 98,600 upon 8.314 into T. Always remember this term is negative. Then what happened? Both the terms are negative, therefore addition are take place with a negative sign, and the answer is 33.9950 is equal to same here 98,600 upon 8.314 into T. Then negative sign, it will be get cancel out, and we get very simple equation, that is T is equal to 98,600 upon 8.314 into 33.9950, and when you multiply both of the term, you will be get, of course you will be use the scientific calci for the such a type of the calculation, and scientific calci is allowed for your university examination also. 282.63443. Don't do all the operation in one step. It's my suggestion to all students. Go step by step. And the answer is, the calci is in front of you, the answer is 4 348.86 Kelvin, and at this temperature the half life period is 10 minutes, and we have find out this one. I hope you understand this, and remaining problem I will be send you on the Google Classroom. Thank you very much.